Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about benzoin condensation. Then what is benzoin condensation? Benzoin condensation is condensation of aromatic aldehyde. In this benzoin condensation reaction, we are heating the we are heating the aromatic aldehyde. We are heating the aromatic aldehyde with alcoholic potassium cyanide. It undergoes self condensation undergoes undergoes self condensation to give alpha hydroxy ketone. This reaction is called benzoin condensation. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ಬೆಂಜಾನ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಕ್ KOH ಜೊತೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, benzoin condensation ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is called benzoin condensation. Okay. For example, this is our aromatic aldehyde. This is our aromatic aldehyde. When two molecule of aromatic aldehyde is heated with alcoholic KCN, upon heating it undergoes self condensation to give this is our benzoin. This is our benzoin. This reaction is called benzoin condensation. Okay. If we see the mechanism of benzoin condensation, let's see the mechanism. In mechanism, it involves in three steps. In step 1, in first step, the nucleophile, here CN is the act as a nucleophile, it attack the aromatic aldehydic carbonyl group. Let us see the mechanism. This is our aromatic aldehyde. In first step, the nucleophile, cyanide is a nucleophile, it attack the carbonyl carbon. At that time, it shifted to oxygen atom. Then it gives HO minus. This is the first step. Okay. It again, in first step, another one is simple step. Here the proton is transfer, rapid proton transfer is takes place. What happened here? This again, this negatively charged abstract the this proton, it abstract the this proton, as it abstract this proton, and this bonding electron shifted to the carbon atom to give carbon anion. Let us see, this is our benzene ring, C H is shifted to the oxygen, then it become OH and cyanide as it is, and this carbon atom get negative charge. This is our carbon anion is generated. This is the first step. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನೈಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಟು ಜನರೇಟ್ carbon anion. This is the first step. In step 2, in step 2, the negatively charged carbon anion, it attack the carbonyl carbon of another aromatic aldehyde. Let's see, this is our carbon anion which is generated in first step, Cn minus, and this is our another aldehyde group, C double bond O H. This is our another aldehyde. This negatively charged carbon anion attack to the carbonyl carbon. At that time it shifted to the oxygen, then oxygen get negative charge, then it become OH, Cn, then it become carbon and carbon, here is H, this O double bond become O single carbon O minus, then it benzene ring. Okay, okay, then again this oxygen abstract the proton from here. At that time this oxygen become negative charge. I will write the here downside, then it become C single bond O minus C, it become OH aromatic ring, here is one H as it is. Next this is cyanide. Okay, in third step, in step 3, in step 3 benzene is formed by loss of the cyanide. What happened here, this is our third step. O minus, this is cyanide, this is C OH H. Okay, this is our product. Here this negatively charged oxygen shifted its electron to the this bond, then it become carbon oxygen double bond. At that time the cyanide group, it is a leaving group, poor base, it leaves, then it become alpha hydroxy ketone, which is CHOH. This is our benzene. Okay, are you getting point? In benzene condensation, the aromatic aldehydes are replaced with the alcoholic potassium cyanide. It undergoes self condensation to give alpha hydroxy ketone. In this, it involves in 3-step mechanism. In first step, the nucleophile attack to the carbonyl carbon of the aromatic aldehyde to give negatively charged intermediate, and it again interchange to give carbon anion. In step 2, that carbon anion attack to the carbonyl carbon of the another aldehyde. Then in step 3, here the loss of cyanide to form benzene. This is our final product. This mechanism is called benzene mechanism. Okay.